I just got home from work. It's September 2nd, Memorial Day, and it's a holiday. Hospital census was low, so I got to leave early, which I'm so excited about because there's a lot of progress happening at the house. Look behind me.
Our window looks from the second floor.
I am on my way home from work right now, and I wanted to make a shout out to my husband real quick because he's trying to finish up his deer plots. Normally he would already have his deer plots ready for deer hunting season, but he's been so busy working on the farm that he hasn't had time to do them. So he's just now finishing up his deer plots on September 3rd. And he's got both the boys with him at the house this evening. He's got the baby in the carrier and Elias on his lap, and he's bush hogging, tilling, seeding, I don't know, whatever he's doing for his food plot. So shout out to you, babe. You're the real MVP dad. Say it.
We're working on the wraparound porch today. That is a pier. Push it in there really hard. Push it in there. Okay. Look, there's your handprint.
It's a blob.
Go wipe your hands on.
Putting it in the window in the boys' room.
The hammer's not there. Here.
What are you doing, Eli?
I'm sitting in here.
Were you playing in the mud again?
Yeah, but sometimes I do.
Yeah,
Sometimes I rip these off.
I see that. Got the window for the boys' room on the second floor in, and now they're working on the small windows for the cathedral ceilings in the back of the house. I'll show you. Looking good, babe. We've currently got like 10 projects going on at once. We are putting on the rest of the sheathing on the top of the house and in various random little spots where we missed it. We're working on the wraparound porch. We're putting in windows. We're putting in doors. We're screwing stuff into the concrete. We're working on the retaining wall. We are doing all kinds of stuff today. Little piddly things all over the place. But what I'm most excited about is that we are working on the wraparound porch. Now we're ready to set some posts. First porch post is set. We are currently putting the sheathing under where the roof overhangs, right along in there. And Elias is, I don't know what he's doing, something. Elias, what are you doing, honey?
I'm falling deep.
Okay. Whoa, you're crazy. Hi, Levi.
What is this? Is this somebody's?
Yeah, don't drink it. That's nasty. Don't drink it. We're using this tripod tool to make sure that the house is completely level for every piece of wood on the deck. Perfect. It's nighttime and Levi's sick, so we've been back over at the camper for the past couple of hours. So James wanted to bring me over here to show me the progress, and it looks amazing. Virtually the whole entire front part of the deck is almost done. Check this out. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Look at that. Oh, and look at the sunset.
We got some water for you, Jay.
Did you just call Daddy James?
Water for you.
Just be careful, Mr. Monkey.
Strong muscles.
Cut a foot. Yeah, cut a foot.
Good job, Willie.
That one's crooked. Just kidding.
Probably is.
Posts are set.
Hi, Lice.
There it is. Mr. Eli has got his sticks with him, and we are heading over to the house to see what the guys are working on.
Hang on. So right there is the center of the truck. How do you want to do ridge cap?
We've got more of the wraparound porch done on this side of the house. It's looking really good.
Putting ridge cap on the roof today, Uncle Darren and Robbie's on top. Because they're heroes. Me and Dad are on the bottom because we're scared. And we're just putting up the ridge cap. That's a ridge cap. Those are rake trims, I think is what they call it. Rake trim.
They're tied off to the quad.
Where you at?
Elias, what did you find?
A mushroom.
Let me see it. Look this way and show Mommy. That's pretty cool. What are you gonna call it?
A raccoon mushroom.
A raccoon mushroom.
Yeah.
Does it look like a raccoon? That's cool. James is going to move the harnesses and stuff on the roof for them to tie off. Let's go around to the back and see him. James is drilling holes to attach the band board to the house.
You can think about it, but don't you do it, young little.
Levi, are you trying to eat rocks?
He said, I'm trying to eat some pebbles. Yeah. What?
Weekends mean that I cook lunch for all the guys that are here working. So today's BLTs. Past couple weekends I've made BLTs for lunch. It's just so delicious. I know everyone's excited about fall, but it's still summertime. Here's lunch. Delicious! And I also made some fried bologna because James likes to eat a lot. So thanks for all the prayers and the encouraging words, guys. The house is coming along great. It's a lot of work. James is darn near killing himself to get it done, but it's coming along, so it's having a good time. Have a good day.